Hello, my good friend. Good evening. It's a long time we came on live and make video as well. I hope you are doing well. You all know now everything is not normal again. By the grace of God, we are still living. So once again, we need to come on live and make video and advise ourselves. Ebusua, megye sɛ nyame adom ho yɛ. Mmerɛ kakra ni na yɛyɛ video a yɛn nyinaa yɛde tututu yɛn ho fo a yɛfa mu aba yɛde sua ade. We learn from our short video. So once again, we're going to do one of our short video, then we'll learn from it as well. I really appreciate the way when I do video, you watch and you share with your friends. Many so be brave. Say me video, money and you check. And that's when I make. And after this video, please let's share. Let's invite friends. Once again, when I make video on Facebook, I go back and I put it on YouTube. So if you don't see it on Facebook, please go to YouTube and you see it there. Let's all share. Let's like my page. My name is Isaac Donko, and you can also type my name. You can type the title of my short video, and all my videos will come for you to watch. Today, without wasting my time, we all know the ongoing COVID-19 or the coronavirus. So we are just here to advise ourselves to take some safety precautionary measures. Yeah, because once again, like we all know, safety is a way of life. We need to live it. Safety does not have second chance. Inti Nyame can say, we are going to advise ourselves. My brethren, listen to me. This COVID-19 is rare and it's happening live, as someone will say it. So don't take chances, please. You see, I'm wearing my filter mask, and you see, this is my hand sanitizer. Once again, it's a general advice to all of us that we will be safe out there at all times. So once again, all that I'm trying to say is, let's keep on protect ourselves, because the COVID-19 is rare, or the coronavirus is rare. People are dying, people are losing their jobs, a whole lot of things is happening. Things are not normal now, but we should not take chances. So I am here to encourage ourselves that whenever you are going out, please protect yourself, wear your filter mask, have a small hand sanitizer like this one, and wash your hand thoroughly. Wear gloves if possible. Let's maintain a distance of 1.5 meter, if possible 2 meter. You understand? And please, if you don't have any business out there, it's better you stay home. Don't go out. Don't go out. Please stay home. And also, like I'm saying, let us obey the laws of the land wherever we find ourselves. Baby biara, yewo biara, say yewo. Let us obey the laws of the land. There's a law governing those lands concerning this COVID-19. Let us obey, and we'll be free, and all of us will be free. You understand? So I am here to just advise ourselves. It's just a short video to encourage ourselves that we'll be safe out there. Once again, we all know that we are in the summer season, especially those of us who are in the Gulf country, like Dubai, Qatar, almost all the Arab countries. The summer, the peak is a little bit high. The sun, the heat, the humidity. You understand? So the sun, the humidity, all these things is a challenge to us. Combining this summertime, this humidity, this heat period, combine it with COVID-19, protecting ourselves. It's not easy, my brother, but at the same time, we need to protect ourselves. You understand? Because your life is in your own hand, and we don't have a second chance when you die or when something happens. So there's a saying that prevention is better than cure. What you are saying? Until you see, I'm buying one year. What you are saying? Until we need to protect ourselves. Ɛwɔ kasa bɛyɛ kasa sɛ ɔkɔto sɛ onyanko abɔdwe sɛ ɛhyia na wasɛ nsuo ɛde esi wo deɛ obi mu koraa po sɛ wobɛsɛ nsuo de wo deɛ enum ade nti ɛkyerɛ sɛ ama ɔkyerɛ bi ne sɛ bibi ba na kyerɛ sɛ wo wayɛ de wabɔ ho ban prɛko ɛsɛ sɛ woda wɔn so a yɛbɔ otu a ɛnka wote ase. So it's just a short video, like I said, to advise ourselves. Please, we should not take chances at all whenever we are leaving our homes, our house, to go out. Like I said, if it's not necessary, we should not go. But if you are going to shopping mall, if you're going to work or whatever, let's try to protect ourselves and maintain a distance of 1.5 meter or if possible 2 meter, or if you are going to bank or whatsoever, you understand. Inti Onia, that is my filter mask, this is my hand sanitizer like I show you. Is that a short video? I will not waste much of your time. A caution to all of us, let's protect ourselves. Once again, like I said, when I do video and I put it on Facebook, I go back and I put it on YouTube. So if you don't find it on Facebook, please go to YouTube and you see it there. The title of my short video is a general safety topic or safety concern to all of us, you understand. My name is Isaac Donko. Type my name or type the short title of my video and you'll find it there. Thank you. When I put video, you watch and you share with your friend. Bye bye. Peace.